Hello, you're watching Proactive. Here's a look at some of the stories we've been covering in the small cap space this past week. Cendrigo made its London debut with CEO Lars Goldstrand saying the listing boosts credibility and growth potential. The clean energy firm is focused on geothermal and waste to energy projects in Finland and Germany.
So with a track record of our team developing and the need for this going forward and the very attractive assets that we already control, I think we should be able to have a pretty good development over the years.
Empire Metals has raised £7 million to speed up work at its Pitfield titanium project in Western Australia. Managing Director Sean Bunn said the funds take cash reserves to £11 million and support drilling and test work into 2026.
So we're now topped up to about £11 million in our cash reserves. And obviously that's going to give us huge momentum in our development plans over the next few months into 2026.
European Green Transition has granted RMC a 6-month option to buy its Pajala copper project in Sweden. CFO Jack Kelly said the deal fits the company's plan to monetize mining assets and pivot towards revenue-generating green projects.
The strategy within EGT now is to monetize our existing mining projects and look to focus on a number of revenue stage opportunities in the green economy that we're looking at the moment. The goal at IPO with the portfolio of projects, green projects that we have, was really to bring them through a number of value inflection points and then monetize them through sale or partnership. So I think we've mentioned the copper project and hopefully this option is the first step in monetizing that. And then, likewise, our Alstom rare earth project that we have in Sweden.
Tertiary Minerals says partner Cobalt Metals will move to stage 2 exploration at the Konkola West copper project in Zambia, committing up to $6 million. MD Richard Belcher said the move de-risks Tertiary's exposure while maintaining upside potential.
And certainly for us as a junior explorer, we wouldn't have been able to take, on this style of drilling on our own. These are, deep, 2-kilometer deep drill holes. These costs, the cost of these drilling is, total cost are within the millions of dollars to drill these holes. So having a partner willing to take on that expenditure and also to take on the risk in terms for equity has been great.
Life Science Technologies has landed a £460,000 contract with Nottingham Trent University for a new smart agriculture centre. CEO Simon Deacon said the project showcases the firm's full agtech range and growing international momentum.
So this is really bringing together all of those key products that we've developed over the years and will be a great showcase as they develop more into vertical farming, indoor growing, and also do commercial projects as well.
Valerium is backing Guatemala's CoinGT project, a land-based trade corridor dubbed a new Panama Canal. CEO Gary Cottle called it a multi-billion-dollar government-backed deal and a major step in Valerium's tokenization strategy.
It's a multi-billion-dollar deal when you roll it up. This is the first slice of it, so it's a fabulous deal certainly for us to be involved in, but also just in terms of sovereign grade clients, infrastructure. It's a big marquee deal for us.
Follow us and subscribe on YouTube, our social channels, and on proactiveinvestors.co.uk.